Welcome back to the Freemilesmc, and we're starting off this episode with some motorcycle maintenance because Dimitri, who let me review his Yamaha FZ6, built a little contraption that could make it possible to disable the ABS. So we're going to install that now. Let's go. So this is the fuse and switch that we will install for the ABS, and this is what will get into the ABS socket. Those are like cables of the TV, right?
Yeah. Old PC, but
yeah, old PC cables, and this is a self-built little switch by Dimitri. So yeah, let's go. So we now removed the fuse box over here, and our plan is to...
It has a little tab that needs to be pressed.
Yeah, and our plan is to layer the cable through here and then replace this 15 ampere fuse. To get a good view at it, yeah, this one. And then the cables go through here, we'll drill a hole, and yeah, that's the rough plan. The main goal is to kind of keep the fuse hidden. We now drilled a hole into the fuse box that allows us to lay this cable that Dimitri has in his hand through the hole, while also the roadworthiness inspection in Germany not seeing that I have this system on my bike and I can just take it off before the inspection. So Dimitri is now feeding these cables through the holes that he drilled, and really cool. He came up with this idea, and that's really impressive. So, and now the plan is to plug them into the sockets that normally would go for the 15 ampere fuse.
To anybody who may say that these wires are actually thin, keep in mind we have a fuse here first. Second, this is 1.5 millimeters squared. So we should have a lot of time before the wires actually melt. Main issue may be actually electrical connection within the posts, because we're not using an actual fuse. But we can always jam in something here, something plastic, let's say, that will help bridge the gap and keep these things away from each other. And even if they short, it's fine, because we'll have ABS. The issue is when we stop having ABS, but that's what we want actually.
Yeah. Now we did it. This is now...
hide the switch.
Now we need to just hide the switch from corrosion, rain, and yeah. So I would say let's ride the bike and see if everything runs, and then let's hide the switch. So let's do a road test. So the little road test is successful, and we will now isolate this little switch with electrical tape.
It's a good idea to jam something plastic between these two to keep them separated, just so they don't vibrate out. The German viewers will be extra annoyed.
Yeah, the German viewers will not like this.
And they will report you directly to, because you know what you did.
But I mean, if it works, it works.
Is it really a stupid idea?
Yeah.
Let's get rid of you. This is just so I can snake the cable behind here, so it doesn't interfere with the attachment for the side panel. And also I need to bring the fuse to a place where we can service it.
I mean, you can put it under here, and then when you need to service it, you can pull on it a little bit. That could work. Let's do that, I would say. So Dimitri is lifting the tank slightly so that we can apply this one and put it over here, and then we can zip tie it. I can hold it if you want.
It's fine.
Okay.
Just little electrical tape, because here we have just a little bit of showing. And
Yeah.
certain this is plus and it shouldn't touch really ground, so let's just tape it off. To be sure, I mean, this is nowhere water resistant, and you can just rip it out, cut the zip tie, and nobody will ever know.
Also, I think it's a great inspiration for proper installation later on.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, it's like a good first thing.
attempt.
Like I don't yet have the engineering mind for this kind of stuff, so amazing.
Find a really nice water resistant switch that you can then attach to the dashboard somewhere. It will be basically factory.
Yeah.
Here, Royal Enfield may actually want to buy this as a patent.
Yeah, why not?
Can you actually pick
Yeah.
this up just a bit? Yeah. So I can fish my fingers through there. Oh yeah, I'm just dumb. Could be.
I mean, this looks good.
Ish.
Yeah, you did it. Great.
Yay, I can do stuff.